this motor, huh? This is motor. Why? They are parts of the motor. What's this?
The coils.
The windings.
The winding.
See, these are the carbon brushes. Look at this. You see these two things? These two things that make this mark. There are two black things here. There's one here, there's one here. These are what called carbon brushes. These things are that. These are bearings. This bearing. This is another bearing. This thing, no bearing. We call them bearings. Right. Now, this thing in the middle. How do they call it? This thing in the middle. Because this is what rotates. This thing that. How do they call it? Okay. With this one, how do they call this one? This place. These are the main parts of what is this?
The skater.
Oh, that is skater. What is this? This one.
So I'm sure this is a filter.
This one.